In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can unarchive posts on Instagram. Before we do get to this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the Instagram app and tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here, tap the three lines up in the top right corner and then you need to find the archive section. This is going to be located under how you use Instagram. You'll see it's up towards the very top. Go ahead and select archive, and if it opens up your story archive, go ahead and just select the drop down and put it on your post archive instead and choose the archive post that you want to bring back. Essentially, just select it, open up the post, and once you open up the post, go ahead and tap the three little dots up in the top right, and then go ahead and turn on show on profile, just like so. As soon as you go in and do that, it'll go ahead and put it back on your Instagram profile. As you can see, I'll go ahead and do that, and then look, if I scroll down to the bottom, it's going to be in there. But yeah, that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.